How to fix MyChart verification code problem. To fix MyChart verification code problem, first of all, you have to clear the code's delivery delays. Check the alternative folders on your email. Simply launch your device's Gmail application. Then tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner and ensure that if the message has been sent mistakenly to the promotions, spams, or junk. And once you fix this, you can also check your fixed carrier text blocks and also wait and try. Then proceed to update your account security preferences as well. Verify the contact info and confirm the settings, and also try switching your mode. Toggle your preferred delivery mode or method from the email to text messages to see which channel delivers security codes faster. And you can also bypass the verification loop by simply using the mobile biometrics such as Face ID, Touch ID, or 4-digit PIN. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.